What's up everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good. Finally monsoon is here and today we are going to explore a waterfall place known as Talakona. I already been there, vlogged that place, but that is non-monsoon season, so I'm expecting a stream now. So this is very familiar road for me. I traveled almost 4 years when I was studying in Vidyanikethan. So yeah, Vidyanikethan, that is the place. I've done my bachelor's here. Lot of memories, crazy batch. We are the trouble gang, backbenchers, bunkers, so many names. So that is Fasak Canteen. It's named after the Mohan Babu dialogue, only once Fasak. Yeah, he's the man. Out of all the memories I have, farewell was the best, where everybody, whole gang was high actually, taking over the stage, dancing like crazy, doing mass steps. I think few programs got cancelled. Crazy memories, right? If you are studying somewhere near BTech or degree, make memories. You're definitely going to miss your college life for sure. So this is hostel block. My first year I was in hostel. So this is the playground. After so many days I'm here. We used to play cricket. Yeah, it's so good to see. Stories 4 years ago, and this was another hostel block. And main part, so this is the place where we used to eat dosa. Lakshmaka dosa is really good and really famous. Maybe I'll try out while going back. Talakona. So this is the arch. Officially we are in Talakona. So this is the way to waterfalls. Have to do bit of off-roading. It's okay, Pablo can handle. I think it rained last night. Finally made it to Talakona Waterfalls. From here we have to trek for half an hour. You know, I'm already tired when I hear the word trek. So here we have little pond. You can take a dip if you want. So yeah, let's go for a trek. I forgot to mention, I ordered myself meals at the gate. It's easy. I'll come back, have my lunch and then head back to Tirupati. So now let's go for a trek. Half an hour of trek, I finally made it to Talakona Waterfalls. So that is the stream in my background. As you can see, it is super cloudy. It's gonna rain anytime soon. So I'll quickly take few B-rolls. I'm missing my drone so much. So check out this beautiful place. Talakona Waterfalls. Right now I'm heading back. Before going back, I have few questions to answer. I got few questions in my Instagram question poll. I ran it last week. So I'll be quite active on Instagram. My handle will be somewhere here. Make sure you follow it. And the first question goes like this: what is my camera gear? I use 4 main things: G7X Mark II, it is from Canon, and GoPro Hero 6. Drone I use DJI Spark, and finally my gimbal, it is Osmo Mobile 2. So that is my first question. And second question: which is the best place to visit in monsoon, Kerala or Karnataka? Last monsoon I was there in Karnataka exploring few peaks like Mulyangiri. Had such a great experience. It is really hard to answer because both are so beautiful places, and I personally prefer going to Karnataka because I had experience. So if you have time, cover both. My next question is: any sponsors for your trips? No sponsors till now. The only sponsor that I have is my father. I know it's weird. Huge shout out to them. So supportive parents I have, and that's the answer. My next question: how YouTube started? I used to spend a lot of time on YouTube watching reviews, daily vlogs of Mo Vlogs, Logan Paul, and few travel vloggers. It slowly built passion within me. I used to vlog here and there. Long back I uploaded a vlog. I got 18 views. After a few days I deleted it. And after quitting my job, I had time for my masters. I was still in that confusion whether to go for masters or staying here. On that time I decided to launch my channel. I'm traveling on that time, so why not make travel vlogs? So that is how it started. So yeah, that's the answer for that question. And rest all my friends making fun of me. That's the Q&A. Right now I'm heading back. This is Ecotourism Resort. Such a peaceful place. Those are the shots from Ecotourism Resort. Thought of showing you such a beautiful place to stay. And I'm also planning to end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So stay tuned. As always, click here to subscribe and click here to watch my last video. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.